Let's create this weird looking animation that does absolutely nothing using React and style components. First, we set our emoji state index to 0. We use the use effect tool and set interval to update the emoji index by 1 each time, and when we reach the end of the array, we set it back to 0. Then, all we do is display the current emoji based on the current index. For the flashy, groovy party text, we have a div element called gradient text with some media query magic to reduce the font size on a smaller screen. We have a list of colors in an array and a super cool function that gets any random color from our list of colors. In our gradient string component, we accept some text. We create a colored text state, and for each character, we map through, saving both the character and a random color for that character. But this will only display a random color once. We want it to be super cool and change it continuously. So we set up an interval within our use effect tool and map through our color text, assigning a new random color to each character every 500 milliseconds. Mission accomplished. Finally, let's now map through the color text state and display each character, and for each character, assign the color that we've saved by passing the color as a prop to our gradient text style component.